We've got this 3-storey property to clean today, all the gutters, clear them all out, all the way around. It's all 4 sides, plus there's a little lower bit around there that goes all the way around that side. Obviously a lot of debris from the trees. Just wanted to show you what I use to clear these out, and on all jobs. So we start off, we've got a Champion generator, 2200 watts. It's a great generator, never let me down, easy to use, runs off of petrol, does the job. Now the gutter vacuum I use is the Gutter Sucker Junior. It's from Gutter Sucker Direct. This is unbelievable. For a everyday gutter vacuum, you will not go wrong with this. It's a single motor vacuum. Honestly, you do not need the triple motor vacuums on just your everyday jobs. The triple vacuums are great for your commercial jobs, but these little single vac motors, more than enough grunt to get these jobs done. They'll suck anything out, they'll pull a roof tile out. Honestly, get one, Gutter Sucker Direct, they will sort you out. Next, the extension reel, just so I don't have to keep moving the generator. Again, just a standard extension reel from Wicks. I think this is about 30 or 40 quid, 25 meters, nice and easy. Then we've got the hose. Now this connects to the gutter vacuum. I like a longer hose, it means I don't have to move the vac as much. This is a reinforced hose from Skyvac. Again, this literally nice and easy, we'll just connect in, locks in place, job done. Moves around so obviously your hose doesn't get tangled, and then this will just connect into the end of your poles that you're using. Now with the poles on a job like this, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 poles to get up there, so bear that in mind if you're doing 3 stories. Standard 2-story house, you'll need 3 poles, maybe 4 if it's a higher job, but yeah, this 3-story, 7 poles. I use the carbon fibre push fit ones. I don't really like the clamped ones, they're a little bit wider, not as comfortable in your hands. So the clamped ones are what I go, the push fit ones are what I go for. Easy to use, pull out, push in, and they're very, very lightweight. And then I've got the Skyvac hairpin. It just saves any blockages in the end of the poles. Again, this is the only one that is clamped, it just pops in and out. And then you can change what fitting you want. I like to use this one when there's a lot of leaves, it seems to suck them up better when you've got the sort of crescent opening there. When you've got a lot of heavy sludge and moss, maybe use this side. And again, it literally just pushes in, clamp it up, job done. And that is what I would use for an everyday gutter clean. Clears them all out. Bucket's handy as well, so you can empty your stuff in there, and then I'll just pop it into a bag. But apart from that, that is all you need. Plus obviously the fuel to go in there, otherwise you may get stuck. You can use obviously customers' power, just chuck in the extension, but on a job like this there isn't any direct access to power, so you need the generator to get round to all the bits and pieces. Again, we've got round this side that we've done as well. Slightly more awkward access down that side, but we've got it all done. It's a pretty high building. We have done higher, but yeah, these are now all cleared out. There's a big blockage up there, loads of grass coming out of there, but it sucked it all out without any issues. There's another one done. This job took about an hour and 20 minutes from the time I started to the time I finished. So yeah, not bad.